Oh, hi Rachel. My name's Gabriel. I'm the Race Engineering Manager for 2025. I use Motec and MATLAB primarily in my time with the team, but let's go talk to some more guys who use SolidWorks thoroughly throughout their time. We'd like to thank SolidWorks once again for being a sponsor of 2025, as you can see through the back of my shirt. SolidWorks is an amazing program, and we're so thankful to have them as a sponsor and for giving us their program for free. We're going to talk to George, the Technical Director, Matthew, the Suspension Manager, and Aaron, the Chassis Manager, about what they like about SolidWorks. How you doing, George?
Hello. Very well, thanks, and you?
What is SolidWorks?
Well, SolidWorks is a state-of-the-art CAD platform, which we use for modelling all of our components for the car. So we design everything there. It is pretty awesome. I love it. It's very low level, so you can go change whatever you want. There's a million different settings. You're always finding something new, but overall it performs well with our large assemblies, so thousands of different parts. It's robust, it works, it's very nice. Hi.
Beautiful.
I love it.
He loves it, folks.
I'm enjoying SolidWorks a lot. It's very fun.
What more could you ask for? Let's go ahead and chat to Matthew. Hey, Matt.
Hey, Gabe. What's going on?
How you doing, mate?
Very good. How are you?
I'm good.
That's good.
What does Motorsport use SolidWorks for?
We use SolidWorks to model all of our components of the car. So we can design everything down to the finest small parts that we've got. We can then make multiple different subsystems, which makes the full car model. And then that way we can see that the full car is the way we want it designed and it'll work the way we want on track.
Thank you very much. Last one, Aaron. Our chassis manager is just getting our beautiful chassis right on the way. I'm not allowed to touch it. Hi, Aaron.
Hey, Gabe.
What's the best part about SolidWorks?
I enjoy their waterments and their trims. It makes my life a lot easier designing the chassis. I also like how easy it is to do quick iterations with it all. So.
Beautiful. Thank you to SolidWorks once again for being a sponsor in 2025. We can't wait to continue working with them. Ciao.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, hi there.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, hi there. My name's Gabriel. Let's go to the workshop.
We got this.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, hi there. Hi, George. What's the question?
I suggest that you restart.
Did you?